everyone, welcome back to my channel, Just Ria. We're going to be doing a soft glam routine today. And as you see, I already have my eyebrows done, and this is the best that I've ever done. I'm not going to be talking too much on this voiceover or telling you what I'm using or what I'm doing because most of you guys are probably already familiar with it. So I figured I would just do a small introduction and then put some music on. So if you want to continue to see this soft glam routine using Urban Vibez Volume 2, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I have put on way too much concealer. With this Juvia's Place, you don't even need that much. And as I start to blend it out, you could probably tell by my face expression that I realized that I used entirely too much. Just a dot, not a lot. But I made it work with blending it with a powder. So keep watching, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you are new here, please take the time out to subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that like button and share this video if you like. And I will see you guys in another video. Peace.